Hello my beautiful glam bugs, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gigi and we are still working in the pink Halloween realm today. I don't know why I am so inspired by pink, but we are working with that beautiful light colored pink by Gelixir, and we are also putting down a black here, but we're going to cover it with that pretty pink chrome powder that you see. And as you can see, we've got two different kinds of glitter out. We are going to make a cute set. I think I'm going to use that black, but I'm not. That black pot of polish or gel paint up there, we're not. Guys, there's a couple points in the video where I'm a little bit out of frame. And one nail I couldn't really show you at all much because I was so out of frame. It was comical. So I'm sorry. I'm not going to bemoan it too much. It is what it is, you know. I'm working on trying to find different angles and ways to do things, and sometimes I screw up, and that's just all there is to it, and I love myself through it. There you go. That's it. I didn't mean to rhyme that, but there you go. So we're just going to finish up our chromes here, and we are absolutely going to add a base coat because you don't want to mess it up, and you might need to clean up, and you want to be able to clean up without any concerns about your base coat. Now I am using my gem juice on this because I want this glitter to really adhere, and it's that bar glitter. It's very, very tiny bar glitter, and I think it looks like an Angora sweater. And we are almost into sweater weather here. I think some parts of the country do have sweater weather already, but not ours. So almost sweater weather. Now this other one, we're just going to go ahead and use a regular shiny pink, darker pink glitter that more matches the chrome, which honestly is kind of a perfect match. So we're going to make spider webs, and I started by doing black ones, but I didn't really like it as much. So I decided, why not try to do it with spider gel? And as you can see, it is indeed a mess. I made a huge mess. Now two of the nails are going to have a spider web that go from the diagonal, and then the middle nail in between them is going to have a tiny bit of spider web at the top and a line of spider web. Here you go. This is the middle one, just a tiny bit of spider web. This spider gel is also flash glitter. So at the end you are going to see some just regular shots and some that I did with my flash on, so that you could see the way it looks, the way the flash glitter looks. Sorry, I'm a little distracted. I have my grandson here and I'm trying to help him start something while I do this voiceover. So now we're putting down a spider with these cute gems, and I do add legs to him, but again, I was a little out of frame, so you didn't see that. I'm sorry. I used some silver polish to match everything and just made tiny little legs. They're super subtle, so, you know, I struggled with that a little, but here is our finished set, you guys. I love the flash glitter of it. I love the pink of it. I love the spider. I love that it's Halloween-y while sort of still being Barbiecore. So Barbiecore loves Halloween. There you go, Barbiecore X Halloween. That's what we're gonna call this one, Barbiecore X Halloween. Love them. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. What would you change? Would you have stayed with a black, or maybe even done like a gray spider web, or do you like the flash glitter? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. We are gonna see you next time for more awesome nail art. Until then, mwah, 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 mwah. Have a wonderful weekend and a wonderful day, and just a wonderful everything. I love you guys. Bye-bye.